There are better ways to keep cool. Call KS Services and receive a new Bryant unit with no payments and no interest for 18 months. Stay cool now and pay later. Visit callks.com for more.
Here's your weather video for this Sunday, December the 13th. I'm meteorologist Bill Murray, and it is foggy out there early on this Sunday morning. We've got dense fog advisories for much of central parts of North Alabama this morning. Visibility's less than a quarter mile in many areas, so be careful if you're going to be traveling early. Leave a little extra room between you and that car in front of you, and slow down. Just because visibilities are going to be quite limited in spots. Skies cleared rapidly yesterday afternoon, late yesterday afternoon, after a wet, sort of miserable gray day across the state on Saturday, and temperatures cooled off nicely overnight, and led to saturated atmospheric conditions, lower levels of the atmosphere. We're in the upper 30s over northwest Alabama this morning. Generally in the middle 40s along the I-59 corridor, upper 40s to lower 50s to the southeast of that this morning. Now, we'll see some sunshine after the fog burns off. It should be gone between 8 and 9 o'clock this morning, leading to increasing sunshine for a while. We've got another storm system moving in later this afternoon and this evening, so we will only have a very short period of sunshine today, but it will allow temperatures to warm. Upper 50s over the Tennessee Valley will be middle 60s in the I-59 corridor, I-20 corridor, with upper 60s to the southeast. So not a bad day today. Good day to get out and enjoy. But look to the southwest. Got another system, big upper trough swinging into the plain states. It's going to spread showers and thunderstorms into Mississippi, out of Arkansas and Louisiana this afternoon. They could have severe weather this afternoon, a marginal risk for parts of southeastern Texas and southern Louisiana. Nothing like that expected in Alabama, although we could hear some thunder tonight. That system's going to be rolling through Mississippi. This is 8 p.m. tonight off the 3-kilometer NAM, showing showers and thunderstorms across much of central and northern Mississippi, showers beginning to move into western Alabama by that time. They'll become more widespread and heavier by midnight across much of the northern third of the state. Rainfall amounts tonight could be quite generous, as we'll see in just a minute. Seeing a bit of a line of showers, maybe some thunder, pushing through eastern Alabama. This is about 3 a.m. with some lingering showers back to the northwest. Fairly vigorous low-pressure system sort of lining up along I-59 during the night tonight. You'll notice gusty winds later this evening and through the overnight hours into Monday morning, thanks to that vigorous low-pressure system. And the rainfall amounts, as I said, could be on the heavy side. 1 to 2 inches of rain possible, generally along the I-59 corridor. And this is going to really contribute to some decent rainfall amounts over the next 2 weeks, according to the GFS. Now, these are morning lows by Monday morning. Going to be, again, chilly. Upper 30s northwest Alabama, lower 40s in the I-59 corridor with middle and upper 40s to the southeast. Monday, kind of a miserable start. It'll start out cloudy, windy, chilly, as you just saw there, some lingering light rain, but that light rain should move out pretty quickly. Monday will be a dry day, generally, for much of Alabama. High temperatures are going to really kind of struggle during the day on Monday to get out of the 40s. I think much of northwest Alabama probably won't. I-59 corridor, I-20, lower 50s, middle and upper 50s to the southeast, but mostly dry. We'll have a fairly widespread freeze for areas northwest of I-59 Monday night, about 32 calling for here in Birmingham, upper 20s areas to the northwest of that. Tuesday, some moderation, about 5 degrees warmer than Monday. We'll call for middle 50s with a good supply of sunshine here as high pressure takes over. But by Tuesday night, clouds are going to move back in. Showers will arrive back during the evening. And this is 3 a.m. late Tuesday night, early Wednesday morning. You see heavier showers moving back into Alabama. We'll be in the upper 30s, lower 40s to middle 40s across the area with those showers moving in. They should be completely out of the state by 3 p.m. Wednesday afternoon. Will be around 50 degrees for the high. And then Thursday looks like it'll be a dry, sunny, and cool day with highs in the 40s over the northern half of the state after a decent freeze Thursday morning with some lower 20s, middle 20s over North Alabama, and middle and upper 20s over central Alabama. Now, by Friday, Some moderation, lower 50s after another freeze. High pressure in control of our weather. Again, our next storm system comes in late Saturday night. Looks like most of Saturday will be dry. We'll start off near freezing Saturday morning, only get into the middle 50s during the day. But showers will move back into Alabama Saturday night. This is 3 a.m. Sunday off of the GFS, showing that system. And here's the tail end of it around 3 p.m. Sunday afternoon as it exits the state to the east. Another fairly generous rain for Alabama during the late night, Saturday night, early Sunday morning, and most of the day on Sunday could be a widespread cold rain. And then we go through a little period of drier weather for a couple of days, but then moving out to Christmas Eve, you can see a fairly wet weather system due in here, bringing fairly generous rains again. As this frontal system moves in and sort of stalls, it could keep us wet through Christmas Day with some tantalizing snowflakes there back to the west side of this, on the western shield of this precipitation band over western Tennessee, parts of Arkansas, maybe into eastern Texas. That'll be interesting to watch. But we don't look like we'll see any of that here in Alabama. We dry out for a few days. And then into the period voodoo territory out on the 28th, late on the 27th. Looks like high pressure builds in, even though earlier runs have predicted another system. So some uncertainty there. Here's that long-term 2-week rainfall that I was talking about off the GFS, showing sort of an axis of heavier precipitation setting up along I-59. Some 5 to 7 inches of rain possible in that corridor during that time. That would be interesting. Probably no flooding because it's sort of spread out, but some fairly generous rainfall amounts. And, we kind of take those when we can get them. But generally, 3 to 5 inches on either side of that is not bad for us to deal with. Temperatures off the GFS show some of our warmest weather over the next 2 weeks is going to come really today. Falling back to kind of seasonal levels through midweek with a cool down expected for Thursday. Then relatively cool for the weekend. A little bit of a warm up. We move back into some slightly milder air from the 20th really through the 26th, when temperatures sort of fall off the table. Tantalizingly there on the 28th, looks like 36 for the daytime high, but that's way out in voodoo territory. Well, that's your weather video for this Sunday, December 13th. I'll have notes on the blog, a forecast update at noon, and of course, James will have 2-a-days starting tomorrow. Scott will be back next Saturday. I'll see you next Sunday, and until then, as I always tell you, keep an eye to the sky, because you'll always have something fun to look at.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.